Good afternoon. Greetings. Hi, I need some burgers. Yo, homie. What's up? Hello? Hey, guys. It's nice here. Heard you got some snacks in here. Oh, no. What's wrong with you? Gotta go. I'm out of here. What are you waiting for? Christmas? Bye-bye. See ya. Oh, man. Let's see. What you having? Let's try this. Hey, you have 20 seconds. Time for lunch. Well. I want this one. This one. Really big portions. Good. What you having? Let me see. I want to bite it right now. Not that I'm complaining, but yo, homie, I'm hungry. What's up, man? Hello? Hey, I'm starving here. I'm hungry. Hey, you got some hot music up in here. What are you waiting for? Okay, no rush. I'll wait. Hey, what did y'all do with my snacks? I need my meal. Hey, I need my food. Hey, I'm still chilling here. It's gone to someone else again? I gotta go. Okay, thanks, boss. We happy. Hey, thanks. Looks nice. Oh, my favorite. Thanks. Excellent. Awesome. Good. Seems to be a perfect place for lunch. Whoa. Woohoo. Yep, that's it. Oh, man. Gotcha. That's man's food. Hit the spot. This is tasty. Good food. Nice snacks. Hope it's tasty. Wow. Finally.
Hi. Hello. Hi there. What a nice cafe. Nice snack bar. Good day. What a cozy place. Hi, guys. Aha. Cancel that. I'm not hungry anymore. OMG. Goodbye. Okay, maybe next time. Is this a slow food restaurant? CIAO. I'm wasting my time. Gotta go. I'm out. Well, what have we got? Got something new? Okay, let me think. Maybe this one. It's good when you have choices. I'll take this one. Hey. What? You're on a siesta or something? What, you're taking a nap or something? Hey, where is my meal? Is this one for me? Yeah, I can't wait. Hey, I was here first. Hello? Wake me up when it's ready. I am hungry. I am starving. I'm still waiting. A bit quicker, please. Hey! Wow, smells nice. Looks great. Smells great. Oh yeah. This is huge. All aboard? Smells fantastic. Thank you, love. Accepted? Hello? Looks great. Yummy. Looks extremely tasty. Okay, nice. Nicely done. Good job. Okay, here's the money. I hope it'll be faster next time. Thanks, I'm so hungry. This food could cook itself faster. Where's my lunch? Finally. Okay, here's the money. I'm off.
Hi there. Hello. Hey there. Hey guys. Wow, what a nice cafe. Nice cafe. This is a nice place. I think I'll hang out for a little while. Cool place. Ooh, cool place. Let's have some snacks. Did you miss me? What a cozy place. Yeah, I think I'll stop here. Oh no. Ciao. Adieu. All right, that's it. I'm leaving. I'm walking out the door. I'm going. I'm out of here. Bye for now. I'm leaving. Goodbye. See you later. I am gone. Let's see what they have here. Ooh, this one. I think I need something special today. I love junk food, actually. Well. What have we got here? I would like this one, please. Please bring me this one. Do you have anything new? Do you have any specials? Do you have any specials here? Oh, I think I'd like to try this one. Well, I'm here. You think time is the best cook? Anyone? Is there anyone back there? Anybody? Hurry up, come on. Hey, I'm gonna be late to an interview. Hello? Hey, I'm still hungry, and I broke my nail. Excuse me? Hey, I forgot my lipstick. No. Looks like I've forgotten my lipstick. Great. Where's my eyeliner? It's gotta be here. It's just unfair. What is wrong with you? Hey? I love specials. Thanks, sunshine. Aw, that's so sweet. Cool. This is great. Yeah, thanks. Thanks a lot. It smells so good. How did you know I would like this? Smells great. Okay, I'll have this one. Amazing. Okay. Wow, that was pretty quick. It was so fast. All right. Oh, it's so good. Okay. OMG. Just in time. This is my lucky day. Warp speed. It was not so fast, but I'm still hungry, so I hope it's still tasty. Well, you certainly know how to take your time. Hey, I'm in no hurry, you know. Take your time, really. Take your time.
Howdy. You got any meals here? Guess I chow down here today. Hi there. Hi. Great place. Howdy. I need a snack here. Hey, I need something refreshing. I'm just in from a rodeo. You got a nice saloon in there. Greetings to you. Hi, how's it going? Where's the booze? Unlucky day. Farewell. Farewell. I gotta mosey. Bye. Goodbye. Adios. I'm off, partner. I'm off, Pilgrim. Gotta go. This was a bad idea. Better luck next time. Gotta hit the trail. This didn't work out very well. Ooh, nice menu. Look, I'm hungry and I need a horse burger. Ha ha. So, let's see. What have we got here? Lots of food is good. Okay, need some cow. Lots of good stuff here. Hey, how you doing? Choice is good. Any beefsteaks? You got any whiskey? Someone? Anyone? You got a customer here. Do you need some help with that? Look, I'm still hungry here. Hey, how you doing? What do I gotta do to get served? Shoot my gun in the air? I'm getting hungrier by the minute here. Will do. All right. Thanks, buddy. Wow, great smell. Wow, smells great. Looks delicious. Bingo. Jackpot. I'm looking forward to trying this. Gee, thanks. That's super. Great. Hit the spot. It's the business. That's the bomb. Aha. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Fine. Over here. Over here. Aha. Aha. Right. Oh, gonna love this. Right on time. Great. I was about to eat my hat. Finally. At last, I got the munchies over here. A new taste, you say? Let's have a snack pretty fast.
Greetings. Great place. Hi. Hi. How's it going? Hello. Good day. Guess I'm dining here today. Hi. How's it going? Well, better get going. I could have waited there forever. Well, see you later. Cancel that. I'm not hungry anymore. Laters. I'm going to be late. Bye. I'm out of here. Goodbye. This is not a good day. Farewell. This just ain't fair. Enough is enough. Got anything new? You should update your menu. Everything looks so delicious. What have we got here? Well, this one looks cool. I'm thinking about this one. Looks nice. Smells good in here. Hey there. I'm so hungry. Can I get a snack? Hey, you got some groovy music in here. Someone? Hey, I'm still hungry. Need some help with that? Jeez, it takes so long. What's the holdup? Where's my meal? Anybody gonna bring me a meal? I'm real hungry here. I could eat a horse. Over here. Anyone? What are you all doing in there? I just love junk food. I hope this is healthy food. I'm on a diet, you know. Looks nice. Well, that looks good. Not bad, not bad. Cool. I hope the portion would be more generous. That was pretty fast. Oh, great. At last, I've got the munchies already. Gee, thanks. Yeah, that's just what I ordered. Okay. Thanks. Well, let's try this. Wow. Excellent. Gee, thanks. Oh, yeah. What took so long? A new taste, you say? Pretty fast. Finally. Is that for me? Oh, that must be my one. Hey. Geez, it takes so long.
Hello. Hey there. Howdy. Good day. Hi. Greetings. Bye. Bye. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Ta-ta for now. Farewell. See you later. Maybe next time. Thank you for nothing. Let's see. Aha. Wonderful. Let me see. Nice menu. This one looks good. What's the holdup? Where is my meal? Not for me? Again? Could you please? Hello? Hello? I'm so hungry. Excuse me? I beg your pardon? Magnificent. Oh, it's so tasty. Oh, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. Marvelous. Majestic. Okay. Thank you, sunshine. Aha. Okie dokie. Is this for me? Thanks. Looks appetizing. It was so fast. It was so fast.
Hello, everybody. Hi, fellas. Let's see. Hello. How are you? How you doing? I'd better go to another place. I can't wait that long. Bye-bye. I'm tired of waiting. In my days, this didn't take so long. I'm tired of waiting. Got to go. Bye for now. Where's my glasses? Now, what am I hungry for? What do we have here? You've got a nice cafeteria. I'm still here. Excuse me. Hey, I'm hungry. Thank you. Oh boy, you were fast. Nice. Excellent. Okie dokie. Nice job. Well done. Great. Awesome. Man is what he eats. Thanks. I feel young again. Superb. Delicious. Great smell. Gee, thanks. Right on time. All systems go. Got it. Looks appetizing. Time is the best cook. Finally. At last.
Hey.
Hi. Hi there. What a nice cafe. Do you speak Japanese? Hello-san. Hello-san. Okay, well you can just cancel that. Just cancel that. I'm not hungry anymore. I'm off. Goodbye. Okay, maybe next time. Can't wait anymore. Keiichi. This is unfair. Keiichi. What have we got? Well. Got something new? Okay, let me think. It's good when you have a choice. Hello? It's not a joke. I'm hungry. Ahem. Hey, it's boring. I am hungry. A bit quicker, please. Yeah, I can wait. Wow, smells nice. Many thanks. Looks great. Wow, I like it. Aha. Arigato. Sugoi. Cool, son. Thanks for the snacks. It smells good. Itadakimasu. Yummy. Good, son. Woohoo. Nicey. At last. Many thanks. Looks great. Is this one for me? Finally. Domo arigato.
Hey there. Hi. Hey, I worked in a place like this. Hey everyone. Hey, how's it going? Whoa, nice cafe. Ready to stack in? Hey, let's go get a seat. Hey, let's find a place to sit. Hey guys. Hey, I was hoping for a bigger burger. I'm off. Gotta go. Hey, I'm gonna be late. Bye. That does it. Bye. Enough is enough. I'm off. Gotta go. Let's get out of here. You really should update your menu. Heck, I'll take this one. I just love junk food. Oh, I just love junk food. Well, this one looks good. Hey, got any cookies? Let's see. What you having? Man, the music here is awesome. I do love the smell of a good burger. Guys, who's in charge here? I'm hungry. Well, this one looks cool. Hey, don't I get a free drink or something? Jeez, it takes so long. One burger ends, another begins. Where's my meal? Hey, I need your food, your booth, and your motorcycle. Aha. Okay. Cool. Thanks. Cool, thanks. This tastes great. Great. Wow. We happy? We happy. Wow. Awesome. All aboard. Aw, that hit the spot. Great. Aha. Oh, yeah. Yep, all systems go. Whoa, you made my day. Bingo. Food. Nothing in the world smells like that. Don't you have something for people that wait too long? Now I'm really hungry. What took so long? Ugh, looks weird. Okay, here's the money. You did it. Thanks.
Hey, how you doing? Hey there. I need a refueling. Boy, is it nice in here. It's nice here. Oh, it's nice in here. Heard you got snacks in here. I heard you got snacks in here. I heard you got some good grub in here. I need to chow down. A burger is not enough. Attention, hungry trucker. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. No way. You got yourself one less customer. I'm out of here. Okay, let's see. I need something big and juicy. I want beef. I want cheese. I don't want it now. Tell me, little lady, you got fried chicken on this menu? Darn, I'm hungry. Hot darn, I could eat a horse. Have you got a root beer? This belly needs a filling. Hey, what's taking so long? My tummy's a grumbling. I'm in a hurry here. Put your foot on the gas. I could have had an oil change by now. Yo, is there a roadblock on your way? Come on, let's go. Let's get moving in here. Food. I need food. Hey, why such small portions? Yeah, thanks. Yum, yum. Cargo loaded. This man's ready to roll. The best a man can get. I hope it's tasty. That's a great smell. That smells mighty good. Dinner time. Ooh, yeah. That's a man's food. That's a spread for a man. Over here, over here, over here. Just set it down right there. That's for me, Daddy. That's delicious. That's a good one. Oh yeah, better late than never. Gee, that's big. Let's get stuck in. Finally. At last I'm gonna get some food in me. Don't mind me, I'm getting stuck in.
Best money can buy.